In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Simple Mobile app with this easy-to-follow installation guide. Whether you're using an Android device or an Apple phone, the steps are straightforward, and you'll have the app up and running in no time. Let's dive in and get started. First, you need to navigate to your internet browser on your device. You can use any, but we recommend Google Chrome or Safari for an optimal experience. Next, in the search bar, type in Simple Mobile app. This search will bring up several results, so you'll have the option to choose the one that works best for your operating system. Whether you're using an Android or an Apple device, look for a link that leads directly to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. If you're having trouble finding it, try specifying your search even further with something like Simple Mobile App Play Store or Simple Mobile App Store. This should help you find the correct official app quickly. Once you've located the app in your respective store, click on it. This will bring you to a landing page for the Simple Mobile app where you'll see options to download. If you're using an Android device, you'll see a button labeled Install. For Apple users, you will find a button that says Get. Go ahead and tap on this button to start downloading the app to your device. Remember, you'll need a steady internet connection to download, so connecting to Wi-Fi is a good idea to speed up the process and avoid using your mobile data. As the app begins to download, be patient. Depending on your connection, this could take just a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the download is complete, installation will usually begin automatically. If prompted, don't hesitate to give the necessary permissions so that the app can function properly on your device. Permissions might include access necessary for the app's functionality, such as GPS for location services, or access to your contacts if you plan on integrating the app's features with your contacts list. Now, just a quick note, if you're watching this on a computer, you'll need to switch over to your mobile device for the actual downloading and installing. While you can browse through app details on your PC, the installation must be performed on your phone or tablet directly through the store's app. And there you have it. The Simple Mobile app is all set up on your device. Ready your passwords